Narito na naman po ang pagkakaabalahan ng mga fans dahil ang SB19 final round ay nominated po sa Stats Poll Awards Most Influential Artist 2025 SB19 Philippine Nominee. Ang nakalagay po dito, vote #SB19 Facebook voting mechanics, like, follow ang Stats Poll Awards, react 100 votes, comment 20 votes no limit, share 30 votes no limit. Reminder, the use of Autobots is not allowed. The vote count for reactions will automatically stop and no additional reactions will be counted. Only comments and shares will be included and subsequent voting updates. Voting ends March 17, 2026 at 12 a.m. Korea Standard Time. Sa boto po ni Ken mula po sa Facebook post ng Stat Poll Award ay mayroon pong 40 na reaction, 7 na comment, and 6 shares. Ito po yung kanilang mga solo. Si Stel naman, mayroon na po siyang 55 reactions, 86 na comments, and 368 na shares. Kay Josh naman, mayroon ng 33 reactions, 1 na comment, and kay Pablo naman ay mayroong 77 na reactions, 31 na comments, and 33 shares. At sa kanila namang grupo, mayroon ng 58 reactions, 13 na comments. Samantala, breaking news mula sa Facebook post ng Tag Warriors Officials. Breaking SB19 makes history as Filipino artist with most Billboard World Digital Song Sales entries. SB19 cements their legacy as the Filipino artist with the most entries on Billboard's World Digital Song Sales chart. Now with 6 songs to their name, their latest release Visa makes a powerful debut, landing across 6 spots on the chart and pushing P-pop to new global heights. From breaking barriers with Gento to topping the chart with Dam and now dominating with Visa, every milestone is a testament to their artistry and the unstoppable love of 18 worldwide. We build our dreams with passion and you make them soar beyond the stars. SB19. Anyway, another achievement unlocked, SB19.